In this video, I'll show you how to load some paper inside of your HP LaserJet M209dwe printer or any other HP LaserJet printer that are looking just like this one. So to load the paper or a stack of paper like I have over here, you need to open this plastic flap. Okay, it can hold itself like this. And over here, this is where we will place the paper. But just to show you a small close-up, let me remove this piece. And here you have guides that you need to adjust depending on the size of the paper. Here I have just a normal sheet of paper. What I'll do is to push them, over here. What I'll do is to push them like this to the extremities. This way the paper will be able to enter the slot. Just like this. You just need to push the paper and that's all. If you're printing on some smaller paper, let's say a 4x6, you're printing a picture or I don't know what, you can simply adjust accordingly to the size of the paper. Then you can put back the small lid, and then before printing it's always better to extend this part as well. This is where the paper will come out of the printer, and this way it won't fly around since this is here to keep the paper in place. So I hope this video was useful. If so, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.